on your eyelash. These.
Yeah.
I forgot the Yeti I just made. The straws in the other one are just, it was a thing. All right, hop. Load up. Hop. Good boy. Down. Good. Down.
I did not bring a book for the ride.
Oh, I almost told you to bring your book because look, I brought my book.
I know, I forgot. So I'm gonna have to do that. I can walk back up or
All right.
finished a book and I don't know what the vibe is. So I brought a few that I had already started and one that I haven't. Those legs. Safe to say we're all tired. Yo, come on. How you doing, Hankaroo? Huh?
We got to the hiking trail. Is this our trail? We're gonna go down in there?
I have zero idea. I can't. Was there a trail map somewhere that I missed along the way?
There's a map up there.
Yo, boy. This is good.
Got a little power walk in there. No, you guys stay with me. Heel. James, heel. All right, well, I say we just start down there maybe? I don't know, do you think there would be a sign? Heel.
It had, see how the squirrel?
Oh yeah, what's the squirrel mean?
I don't know, I didn't take a picture of the map.
Gotcha.
So, let's try.
All right. Did you lose your mama?
Baby deer.
It's a baby deer.
Was that the mom that just, like, wasn't that deer that we just saw?
I don't know.
I feel like that is not the same one. It is hard. I can literally stand under this. Look. Look at that. I mean, my head is right there, but that is how high.
That's amazing. James, come here.
No, 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 no. No, no. Nope. Come on. Okay. It's as big as me.
This is crazy.
It is. That is the cool. That is so cool.
This right here was the highlight of the hike.
It is. Look how cool that is. It's huge.
I need to pick up your leash here in case we get to be with people. Okay. So our hiking experience it took a turn because it's all under construction. So we're unsure where to go. Not sure what the next plan is. That's okay. If you know me, you know how flexible I am. I'm very flexible. So
Yeah. Yup. We all know it. We all know it. Yup, yup.
So we're just gonna be flexible and see where the day takes us.
Yep. Good boy. Break. Sit.
Celia and I are now going to talk about a board and train test paper. When is it most important for the dog to wear the prong collar? Is it A?
When they're in the crate.
That's what
I said.
Is it A? On place. Very good. She's like, I did it, but I won't like it. Got a little upgrade happening. All right, so here's another way that you can
Yes.
I laid a board, just an average board, in the middle of my building. And the dog that I was working, I think it was a golden, had been all over the building. Was in there, had been all over the building. And I told everybody, I was like trying to make a point of like impacting. Stop babying your dogs. Stop. You guys think you're helping your dogs, you're not. You're making them scared to death. And so I said, here, let me show you. And I threw a board down in the middle of the building. And it was about 7 minutes later, that dog was so scared to death to go on the other side of that building. Only because I was like, it's okay. It's okay. It's all right, honey. 7 minutes later, the dog was scared to death to walk across the building.
Nip people or?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, Cujo attitude. Cujo attitude.
Definitely better.
Oh,
Yeah,
they're beautiful.
I mean, they used to, like, they'd be freaking out right now.
Oh,
They couldn't even
that'd
go
be
near.
good.
Yep, you were fine. You're good. You need someone else older once in a while, so it's a good thing.
Yeah,
You guys can listen to me the majority of the time.
it is true. That's confidence building in itself.
Yeah,
Just having
he
someone.
has a hard time listening to other people besides me, which I don't have a problem with, but
Yeah.
Oh, that one's easy for you. Huh. There you go, good.
She jumps over the gate in the kitchen to get out, so that's nothing.
Yeah.
Cheater.
She's like, I know this.
6 foot, mama.
Yeah, she's I know this.
There we go. Good job.
They're like, we told you about Whitney.
Yeah, exactly. Funny, I get people, they text me all the time, like if somebody's watching our stories or just something we put up, and people will text me videos of their dog, like looking at the screen, like, what? Who let her in?
My buddy's supposed to
Yay,
go.
good
Oh,
boy.
Those little legs.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got springs for legs.
oh, they're so cute.
Down.
Oh my gosh.
Yay. Captain, here.
He's like, why go over when I can go under?
Right.
Some dogs are born lacking confidence, which means we have to work harder in their life to keep them more in a status quo area. While other dogs they're just born confident. I mean, my dog Nelson, man, he thinks he's 10 foot tall. Nelson, I mean, he thinks he's that dog size, and Nelson thinks he can do anything, right? He was born with a lot of confidence, right? But I've had other dogs where it's like, it's a struggle their whole life. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. I want you to share that bit of information around, because not enough people talk about that piece.